Hello everybody, I'm happy to announce my new sponsor, T-MOTOR. Well guys, this is the new AM600 3D combo. This combo is perfect for the 60-inch class and it works fantastic on all 60-inch planes. It's a very high power engine with a perfect speed controller to get very active response. I'm super happy that I can try it. I will open it with you guys and let's see what's in the box. So first we got a really nice plastic cover all the way on top, so we need to cut that open. So we'll do that now. So it's perfectly sealed. It always is very nice to get your package fully sealed. As you can see, really nice box. It's all very good materials and yeah, looks good for the packaging. Well, let's slide it open. So this is the first piece that comes off. Let's put it here. This is the second piece. Here we have even more stickers. That's always nice to have and put on your planes. So that's out of the way. Now the real beauty comes out. This is the full 3D combo, all well packaged. Super nice quality. Nothing can be damaged in the process of shipping. Wow, looks really good, and yeah, let's get it even further out. This is the T-MOTOR T 16x8. It's a new technique of building the props. It's carbon hybrid tech. So it's a carbon prop, feels very stiff, and it has a newly designed edge for the tips of the blades. So that's really nice. Really excited to try it. Next to that we have the AM116 amp speed controller. This is rated from 3 to 8S. So yeah, and you got your cables, of course, from the ESC to the receiver. Next to that, you got another cable for. I think this is for programming it. So that's really handy to have it. So then you have the speed controller, and of course the thing you're really liking. That's the AM600. Motor. It's a really small profile motor. The normal motors are really high, they are higher and not that wide. But this one looks good. It's good for torque and so on. The power out of these things, if I can trust the videos that I've seen, is insane. And the nice thing about this motor is that the under tray is removable. So later on you screw that with some bolts with Loctite and then you lock it on. But it's really nice to first put this on the plane and then later you can put the M motor on. So also from the feels that I've got, really high quality. Yeah, feels very good. Next to that there are some more things inside. Ooh. Always nice to have some tie wraps. Those are to put the ESC on the plane. And we've got the accessory kit. So with everything to solder on. Yeah, that's to solder it on. The nuts for to put the propeller on. Some other bolts and so on to put your under tray on and all that sort of things. So that's also nice to have, yeah. Then there is the vent to go onto the speed controller, because that's really nice to have if you fly in high temp areas or just for extra cooling. So that's also good to have. Then next to that, this is the first piece to come out. Oh, that's also nice. There are 2 props in the pack included in the package. So yeah, that's also really nice to have. So if you got 2 props and the motor comes included, the speed controller, the van, all accessories. So yeah, that's it. We'll see you at the flying field.